you know, in our world of our post-migration world, you know, where this is where the idea of the majority of people in the world being, you know, living in stable geographical realities is less and less true. You know, that there's an increased number of people on the move. And, you know, going back to that idea of peregrinatio, not always returning home, you know, or of finding a home, or needing to build a home in a new place. And, you know, what role the parts of ourselves that we carry in our bodies, like our voices and our movement, our songs, our dances, and our stories, what role that plays in helping us find that new home, but also in providing a means of communication for the host community that we meet. And I think that's extraordinarily important, because we need to find a medium of encounter, don't we? And it can be quite difficult. And if you know, one of the ways in which the research is showing us that we can accelerate that sense of encounter is by allowing ourselves to be present to the songs and the dances and the poetry and the stories of the people that we encounter.